Why does your scanner show the P2048 engine code? What does it mean? P2048 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant injector circuit low on Bank 1 Unit 1. It indicates that the reductant injector circuit located on Bank 1 Unit 1 of the exhaust has a low circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty reductant injector. Wiring issues. Defective reductant control module. Blown fuse or faulty relay. Engine control unit malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Ram, Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.